Hey now, I'm back with an exclusive and super profitable SuperTrend trading system that was proven extremely lucrative over a series of 100 consecutive trades. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you how to make it even better. All you have to do is strike that subscribe button like when Satoshi Nakamoto struck gold. I call this the Super-Duper SuperTrend, and it uses just two free indicators. The first indicator is the double exponential moving average, or DEMA. The DEMA was created in 1994 and provides a faster reaction time than a traditional EMA. I'm going to set the length to 200 and the time frame to 1 hour. This indicator will provide the overall trend direction. The second indicator is the SuperTrend strategy set to a 12 ATR period and a 3 ATR multiplier. This study will provide our triggers for entries and exits. Let's go over some examples. This chart is DOGE versus the US dollar, 15-minute candles. The rules to enter on the Super-Duper SuperTrend are: first, price must be above the double EMA. Second, we are looking for a SuperTrend buy signal. All of that happens on this candle here. This is our trigger. We place our stop below the trigger candle at the SuperTrend line, and we exit the trade when the SuperTrend sell signal appears either in profit or at break even. And we book the trade on the close of this candle with a profit factor of 2.16. If you enjoy this content, make sure you click that subscribe button. Let's go over one more long example. We have price above the DEMA, and then we have a SuperTrend buy signal. This is our trigger candle. We place our stop at the SuperTrend level where we get the buy signal and exit on the next SuperTrend sell signal in profit or at break even. And this one hits a profit factor of 2.23. Now we flip to shorts. This is what I will test for shorts. First, price must be under the double exponential moving average. Secondly, we are looking for a SuperTrend sell signal. Both happen on this candle here. This is our trigger. We place our stop above the trigger candle at the SuperTrend ATR level and exit when we get a SuperTrend buy signal in profit or break even. And this one closes in profit. I got one more quick short example. Price is under the DEMA. We have a SuperTrend sell signal. This is our trigger. We place our stop at the sell signal SuperTrend level, and this trade closes with a profit of 1.57. Stay tuned so I can show you some ideas on how to improve the system and give it a trader's landing score. And now it's time to do what I do. Remember, this is just 100 tests on 2 instruments. If you are thinking of using this system, please do all the required testing and be sure to let our community know what you discover. This test was done on DOGE versus the US dollar and Litecoin versus the US dollar. It took a brisk 2.7 months to find the 100 setups. Most wins in a row was 8, most losers in a row was 3, which is phenomenal. The win rate was 53%, but the gain on the account, risking 2% per trade, was a whopping 130% gross. So you can see on the equity curve here, there are a lot of small movements with a few large impulsive segments that really grow your account. This is due to the dynamic take profit system. The largest win in the 100 trades had a profit factor of 9.09, which is really unbelievable. The average win profit factor on trades we booked profit was 0.54. What score would you give this strategy? Let me know in the comments below. I give this system a trader's landing score of 8. Why? Because it gives a ton of signals and is very profitable. Remember, the enemy of great is good. I have 2 ideas on how we can improve this system. Instead of taking setups when you see a signal above or below the DEMA, you can also do the opposite. Here, we see a buy signal and then a cross of the DEMA. You could test entering here, which would have yielded a huge profit on this setup. Secondly, instead of using the SuperTrend for signals, you could use the Fu Manchu swing-free signal indicator that I tested to great success here. Check out this playlist for more profitable systems and have a great day if you want to.